Where's that card gone?
Got it.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Prepped and ready. Well, that'd be nice. Set it there. Oh no, started.
Okay.
Automatically. Waiting for start line drive.
Maybe it's dry, okay. Bolt down. There we go. Right, where do you reckon it was?
What, the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, don't. I'm going to keep an eye on the brakes ahead.
Yeah. Got to be coming up.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it's after this bit. Yeah, I'm sure it's around here. I think it's it. Yeah, just after 4, I think.
Bends.
I know, it's horrible, isn't it?
I reckon it's somewhere around here. Oh, no. No. Tyres are better.
Yeah?
Yeah. Not so sticky. Get out of their way. These are not fucking novices.
Here maybe? Yeah, I think it's this bit.
This is possibly.
So it's just after the...
No.
Here?
Yeah, this is it. This is where I went off.
So it is just after the 6.
Just isn't that? Was it? Yes.
Yeah, it's a 6 and then a little bit further on. 7.
Their lights when they're coming up fast, and they know they're coming up fast. Cool, you twitch that in nicely. was a lot sharper. It's a lovely corner. Remember?
Yeah,
I can't remember fucking anything. It's all. This is like doing it for the first time again. Let it go fast. Around the outside. Brave boy, well done. He didn't brake at all there.
No, he's...
Now he's the corner. Now heavy. Cool. Yellow flags. If anyone asks why we didn't go round in under 10 minutes, it's because of the yellow flags.
He's not lying.
This is feeling better though.
Yeah.
The car's feeling better.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, without having the the tyres at like 40 psi or whatever they were. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back.
You know, it looked.
He's settled himself. And now we've got about 20 cars around us, ready for the green light. The marshals aren't waving. Come on, boys. I think we can go here. Wow, look at this.
That's the...
God. Fucking hell did that unsettle the car. That car did not like that. Back wheels off the ground. That's another famous corner for offs. felt better.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know, I suppose to a certain extent where they're going to be because of the people.
Yeah. Is that there permanently? 'Cause I thought that was there on the first lap, but...
Yeah. Don't know. Someone's had a little bit of a rub with his... and he's got to drive that home.
Yeah.
Back. Right, what do you reckon? Should we go in the first or try going further up? I think we should go further up.
Yeah, try further up, yeah.